You hear about the Dow Jones every day on the news, but what exactly is it and why does it move? The formal name is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. It represents 30 of the most prominent companies in the United States. It acts as a snapshot of the broader economy by tracking these 30 major companies that operate in diverse sectors. Unlike other indexes, the Dow is price-weighted, meaning stocks with higher share prices have a larger impact on the total index movement. Investors often compare the Dow to the S&P 500, which covers 500 companies and provides a wider view of the market. This chart shows how the Dow is a small, highly selective group compared to the thousands of companies that trade on major exchanges. Remember that the Dow is just one piece of the puzzle and shouldn't be your only source for judging economic health. Thanks for watching. Understanding the building blocks of the market helps you stay informed. Don't forget to subscribe for more finance basics.